Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through how to allow audio and video calls only from verified users on the X app, updated to the latest version. This quick guide will help you filter who can contact you, making sure your calls come from trusted accounts. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to adjust your settings. Next, tap your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. This will open up your main menu, where you can access all your account options. From here, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. This is the section where you control the privacy, security, and personalization of your account. Once inside, tap on Privacy and Safety. This menu is dedicated to keeping your online interactions safe and under your control. Now, choose Direct Messages. This is where you'll find all the options related to private conversations, including who can contact you and how. Scroll until you see the section labeled Allow Audio and Video Calling. This feature gives you control over who can place calls to you through the app. To enable calls only from verified accounts, simply check the box next to verified users. Once this is active, you'll only receive audio and video calls from accounts with the verified badge. This is a great way to reduce unwanted calls and ensure you're only connecting with trusted people. That's it, your setting is now updated. From this point on, calls will only come through from verified users on the X app. This update is especially useful for anyone looking to maintain privacy while still allowing important calls from reliable sources. Take a moment to review your other privacy options in the same menu to make sure your experience on X is exactly the way you want it. Thanks for following along.